This is the 2014 RMJ Little Bird, made by RMJ Tactical. There's 200 of these made. This is number 36. Price was around $250. My Carta scales. It's about 13 inches long, and it's sharp in the bottom. Very nice little tomahawk. It's made with 4140 steel. We're just gonna do a little cut testing here. Oh, by the way, before I do that, the scabbard is a Molly compatible scabbard. It's got a snap strap, and it's very easy to pull out. Very comfortable in the hand. Just a little short video. A spike. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And tell me what you want to see next. I've got quite a bit of different things I can do. Thank you.